Is it true that you have a bad credit score, I get charged a higher interest? Hi, my name is Ka Hoe and I'm the founder of J Advisory. And today I'm back with another money misconception which I get asked a lot. Is it true? What do you think? Let me put it into context. If you are a business owner, you probably have heard of such things before, and in fact this is true. But actually today I'm talking about more from an individual point of view. Normally for a bank, if you actually have bad credit scoring, what the bank will do is just they don't approve your loan. They won't have the hassle of approving a loan and then eventually charging you a higher interest rate. So this is one of the things which I covered in my earlier video talking about secrets and CTOS, which is actually a credit scoring report for the banks to evaluate how credible or how worthy or how well you are as a paymaster. So of course the tendency is that if you pay your loans on time every time, your loans get approved and they will always stick with the same credit score or the same interest rate, whether it's being offered to you or offered to another person. The only difference that as an individual you need to be aware of when there's a difference of interest rate is normally the banks look at whether you're taking a loan with collateral or without collateral. So what do you mean by collateral? Collateral is actually, let's say if you're taking a housing loan, your loan interest will be lower if the bank get charged your house as a collateral. That means in the event that you cannot pay, they will just forfeit your house and then auction it or lelong it. So but if let's say you don't have, or you have a loan which you don't have a collateral, like a housing loan, for example a personal loan or your credit card, that's why naturally the interest rate is a lot higher. So you can see the range from housing loan being low, then the next one is the car loan, because car loan naturally you have collateral, and then the next two will be your credit card and personal, which you don't have any collateral. If you are a business owner, yes, it's true that you may have different interest rate if you are having a bad credit scoring. So far I've seen a lot being applied in those non-financial institutions, non-bank institutions like Fantastic or Funding Society, the P2P lending platforms they do have. So for example, if you are not so strong in your credit scoring, perhaps they will charge you an interest of maybe 12 to 13%. If you are actually better, they may even give you an 8 to 9% interest rate. So let me know if you have experienced something other than this. I'll be happy to learn more, because eventually why am I doing all these videos is for you guys to learn, and as well as for me, I need to get my facts right. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care guys.